In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad 11 A16 is not charging. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your iPad and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process completed, then just go to your home screen and plug in your iPad into charge. But before you charge your iPad, just grab your charging cable and adapter and make sure that the charging cable and the adapter of your iPad are not damaged. Now if either of them is damaged or if it is not working, then just replace it with a new charger. Also make sure to use Apple's original charger with your iPad, because if you use a third-party charger or charger which is not supported by Apple, this will not only cause charging problems, but it will also harm your iPad. Also try to charge another device using the same charger to make sure that your charger is working. Now after you've made sure that your charger is working, then just grab your iPad and check the charging port of your iPad. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port. And after that, just plug in your iPad into charge and check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now, if your issue is fixed, then great. But if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.